राज्यांत जी खुनाची प्रकरणां जातात तातूंत खुनी आनी जाचो खून जाता ते एकामेकाक वळखीचेच आसतात। पुलीस लोकांच्या नात्या मदीं मेतेर जावंक शकना अशें उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक नितीन वालचंद हाणें सांगलें।
सी मर्डर्स जो भी हो रहा है, इट इज़ एक्चुअली द मर्डर्स जो अभी हुआ है, इट इज़ नॉट डन बाय एनी स्ट्रेंजर्स। जो मर्डर्स का जो एक्यूज्ड है, अभी जितना भी हमने मर्डर का केसेस किया है उसमें जिन लोगों ने विक्टिम को मारा है दे आर नॉन टू द विक्टिम, तो इनके पहले ही जानकार है और या कुछ ये आपस में जानने वाला था, फिर ये कुछ झगड़ा हुआ तो उसमें आउट ऑफ इमीडिएट एंगर या फिर बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रीवियस एनिमिटी दिस हैज हैपेंड। सो police can't enter into the relationships of the people. When the crime is happening between the people who are related to each other, who are known to each other, it can't be actually said like it is can be prevented because it is between the people who are known to each other. Agar if some strangers are doing, then there is serious which becomes very serious, and where we are as law enforcement agency we do our best to prevent those things.
परवरी कामाक्षी खून प्रकरणात पोलिसांनी योग्य ती सगळी कायदेशीर प्रक्रिया केल्याचे वालचंद हाणें सांगलें।
उस केस में जो था तो जो लीगली करना था उस टाइम वी हैड डन इट, बट इट वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड दैट पर्सन विल टेक द रिवेंज। सो एनी issue which happens between two people, so whatever legally is to be taken, immediately we take action. So in that particular case that person took it as a vengeance angle and he did it. So after that, when the lady was missing, we immediately registered a case of abduction case. Generally, if a person who is major in age is missing, we take a missing report. But in this case, since there was a history, we immediately registered an FIR of abduction, and we finally traced out, and then we traced out, it was found to be a murder.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर विराज कामत।